Looking to enhance your expertise in HR and labor laws? The Postgraduate Diploma in Personnel and Human Resource Management Labor Laws from Symbiosis Centre for Distance Learning is the perfect program for you. This specialized program is designed to provide a deep understanding of essential HR practices while focusing on the complexities of labor codes, industrial relations, and legal frameworks that governs the workplace. Learn how to effectively navigate compliance, employees' rights, dispute resolution, and more to ensure that organizations remain law-abiding and efficient. With a flexible learning model, expert faculty, and a curriculum designed with industry standards, SCDL equips you with the tools and knowledge needed to succeed in HR roles with a strong legal foundation. Whether you are an HR professional or aiming to specialize in labor laws, this program will help you advance your career and make an impact in your organization. Enroll today and take the first step towards becoming a strategic HR and labor law expert. For more information, visit www.scdl.in.